machine shops have tried automation and failed miserably, but maybe not for the reasons that you might think. The reason is that automation is so much more than just having a robot load a part in a machine and take the part out when it's done. It's what's happening in between that the automation comes into play. What are your processes look like that make that machining process reliable enough that it can run for hours on end untended by a human? And a lot of machine shops miss that part of the equation. They think, oh, if I just stick a robot in front of this, it's going to keep running automatically. But it's on you to develop a process of chip management, tool life management. Sometimes you have to have internal gauging to watch your dimensions and make sure they're not going out of tolerance and adjust the machine automatically. You need to factor all these things into an automation process. If you don't have these processes in place, you're not going to have successful automation. So the challenge I always give to anybody when they start talking about automation is, can you create a process that is robust enough that a person can literally just stand in front of that machine and load a part at the beginning of the cycle and unload that part at the end of the cycle for whatever length of time it takes to complete that job and produce good parts with zero human intervention from that operator? That means they're not allowed to make an offset adjustment. They're not allowed to blow chips off of anything. They're not allowed to, check tools and replace tools if they're broken. There's so many things that you have to put into play to get that process to run smoothly for hours on end. And then maybe once you've reached that point, then you can start thinking about, okay, now we can add a robot into this mix that simply loads and unloads the part, or whatever automation process you're looking at, whether it's a pallet pool or even a lathe is an automated process, a bar-fed lathe. So just let me know what you guys think. What tricks have you guys employed to create an automated process? Let me know in the comments.